What's up, guys and gals? It's TheCovertCrow. Welcome back to the channel. Today, fasten your seatbelts. As you can see, we are in the car studio. We have a special treat. Today I have on the SEIKO 5 DIVER. Automatic, runs on the 7S36 movement. She's great and reliable, and I've had it for a while. I wanted that peace of mind, especially when you're a pool owner. So I'm in and out of the water all the time, right? And I just wanted that peace of mind that I'm not going to have any issues or complications when I go in the water with my watch. So I decided to go for a little upgrade. Oh yes, that's right. We have a new watch. We have to do an unboxing. That's right. No, I know. I said I wasn't going to get any more watches before the end of this year. Damn! Arrest me. So I'm going to tell you right now. You better be sitting down. Are you sitting down? This is the SSC741P1. That's right. The SSC741P1. The special edition SEIKO PROSPEX DIVER CHRONOGRAPH. What? That's right, the jack of all trades watch on stainless steel bracelet. So let's take a look. What are we waiting for? Do me a favor. Subscribe and like. All right? Leave me a comment. Ask me a question. Do whatever you got to do. But don't forget, subscribe and like. That's important. Please. Oh boy. Sweet nectar. Can you see that? Oh, mercy. Mercy me. The SEIKO PROSPEX Sport Diver and Chronograph. I know I don't have the white gloves on, but let's get it out of there and take a look. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness gracious. The SEIKO PROSPEX Limited Edition, or Special Edition rather, Diver Chronograph. When was the last time you saw those complications together? Unbelievable. Like I said, the jack of all trades watch. She's gorgeous. And look at the two-tone, brushed and polished stainless steel in this bracelet. What a rich feel. And the waves in that dial kind of reminds you of a Seamaster. Wow. SEIKO stepped it up with their finishes with this one. Wowee. I can't wait to jump into this full review. Let's put this thing on the wrist. Bam! Oh boy. That's right. I know you like it. I know you like it. And look at the lume pop already. Gosh. So let me see if I can get this all correct. This is the SEIKO PROSPEX Diver Chronograph with date complication and powered by solar power. What? Psst. Did you subscribe? Oh boy. Screw down crown and pushers? What? There's your peace of mind. And holy crap. Oh my God. It's got the extended link. Now there is a true piece of design. It has the extended link or extension. The link extension like dive watches have, so you can get over. Oh man. How sweet is that? Bam. In case you got to wear it over a wetsuit or your water wear. It just, it doesn't get any better than that. I can't wait. I'm going to wear this thing on the wrist for a few weeks, and then we'll do a full review. All right? All right? But I already know it's for me. Beautiful case, bracelet. My God. I mean, I'm in casual attire today because I'm at work. But it's just, it looks fabulous with this nice Lululemon dress shirt. I know. I have it bad. I better check the yellow pages for like Watches Anonymous or something. WA? Watches Anonymous? Do they have that? Now, without us getting into it too deep, I just need to say, if you're looking to get into these complications in one of the top brands, or even a micro brand for that matter, you could be looking at 4 digits. That's right, probably thousands of dollars. This is a true value piece. We're looking at $500 for this. Now, of course, that's dependent on the market value, your authorized dealer, and of course the region in which you're purchasing it. But overall, you can't beat that. That is as much bang as you're going to get for the buck. Straight up. There you go. That's the SEIKO Prospect. Save the Ocean Special Edition Diver Chronograph. Solar power. Gosh, that's a lot to say. But guess what? We're going to get into it, deep into it, in the next video. So do me a favor, like, subscribe, and wait a minute. Don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram too. It's right there. All right? And hit that bell icon because you don't want to miss the next video. And of course, that'll be when we do the full review. Or there might be one in between there. But hey, stay tuned. Keep watching. Thank you for your support. This is the CovertCrow. My time's up. I gotta go.